I think it's the sort of peak of human possibility, really. Like to wake up and actually go somewhere where you're building something. Yeah, it does me. It does me the job. We're renovating the nursery and greenhouse because this place will eventually become the engine room, I suppose, of the market gardens.
Early on, we were just clearing out the nursery and the glass house. Then we got more supplies to replace the stuff that was in here before. Worked on improving the structural integrity. We've evened out the floor surface. We've just started repotting plants as well, and so we're just kind of, over time, putting things back together.
In terms of how sustainable you want this place to be, this area here needs to become a garden where we can profit and actually have some money coming in to balance the money going out.
Been here for a little over 2 weeks, and comparing how the plant nursery looked when I got here to how it looks now is night and day. I can see a better vision of what this can look like when it's finished, and we're a lot closer to that than when I got here, and progress is always really fun to see.